Hey, this is Nick from out in Washington. So I recently purchased an added on shock sensor because even though I got the wheel locks on my rims, I still wanted that added on sense of protection just in case somebody might try to steal my rims or try to bust my glass or do some kind of dumb shit to my car. So here's a test of it. Now I'm doing it from the rear, so just to show that it's like all around the car protection. You see, and it's pretty loud, so can definitely say it was a success because after getting it, I was surprised at how quick they shipped it. And after getting it, I followed the instructions, watched the videos like 2-3 times, and the whole installation process took me like around 45 minutes. I can definitely say, if you're looking for that peace of mind knowing that your car is protected, I definitely order one.